I was tired of this, so I built a cable organizer cable management box. After drawing up some sketches and putting together a cut list, I rolled out. I used a 2-foot by 4-foot scrap of half-inch finished plywood, which is actually more like 7 16 inches thick because it came from a big box store, cut the front piece to width to avoid seams, and took a little off the height for venting. I meticulously labeled each piece with painter's tape and yet forgot to attach the saw's dust bag. Next I cut the bottom panel, saving the scrap for the back, then the sides, and lastly the top, and more scrap for the back. For the vents, I traced a combination square on the side pieces and used the top of a unicorn lunchbox for the front, then I cut them out with a jigsaw. Gave the cuts a light sanding with 220 grit paper, then I cut 2-inch scraps for holding the lid in place. I assembled front to sides first using glue and 3/4 inch 18 gauge brad nails, then put the lower panel on the back. However, given the plywood is less than a ½ inch thick, I later added a piece of scrap with countersunk 3/4 inch screws for mounting a power strip. Flipped the carcass and attached the lid spacers, then the bottom and remaining back panel. To finish, I applied a pre-stain conditioner, colored stain, and finally a satin top coat. So much better. Not that anyone will see it, but the robot vac knows it's there. Ha!